So this is the automation dashboard where you can manage and monitor your workflows. So now let's go and create a today's workflow. For that, we have to go to add workflows. Okay, so just tap that and then we'll give this a name. So let's name it as currency formatting in Razorpay using AutoAppy number or AutoAppy connect, basically using AutoAppy connect. Okay, so just say save. So post this, it will open up this kind of interface in front of you, which will prompt you to select a trigger node or a trigger application. So now you'll be wondering, right, what is a trigger node? So a trigger node basically is just like a starting point to your entire automation. Okay, so basically it acts as a if condition. If which satisfied, only then it will head to the next condition. For example, just consider that if this is our condition of the Google form and we want that based on these conditions, the conditions in the sheets should be satisfied, only then the workflow will go forward. So simple to understand. If this happens, this will happen. So this was just to make you understand what is a trigger or what is the work of a trigger basically. So now in our case, the first application is going to be the Razorpay. So let's just search for Razorpay. Select Razorpay, and then inside this we have to go and select payment captured as our trigger. So just select that and then say add first app. So now we have added this application to AutoAppy's canvas. So now that we have added this, let's go and set this node to live. So for this we have to go to the hamburger menu here. So once we go here, this window opens up, which is the setup and the configuration and the test window. So if you just scroll down over here, you can see that we have a webhook URL given here. So we have to just simply copy it. Okay, and then we need to go to a Razorpay dashboard. So for this you need to have a Razorpay account already created before you make this automation. Easy. So now that we have come to our Razorpay dashboard, we need to go to developer sections in order to connect the webhook. So just go to developer section, and here it will give you an option of webhooks. So just next to the API tab, just click the webhook tab here and just say add new webhook, and then here we have to just paste the AutoAppy's webhook URL which we just copied, and then in the event types under this active events we have to select payment captured as our event. Okay, so now we are just going to create webhook. So now that we have created this, we'll just go back to AutoAppy and just say start capturing sample data. Okay, so now until the data is getting captured, let's go to our Razorpay dashboard again, and then here if you just scroll a bit inside this menu, we need to go to our payment pages which I have previously created. So basically these are my payment pages which I have previously created already. So I will be using any one of this. So basically your payment link is this particular link only, but you can also have that under this payment links also. But since I'm using this, either you go for this or this option, it's okay, one and the same. So just copy this for now. And now that the data is been captured, if you just go back here, we'll just until then we will open this link into a new account, because Razorpay does not capture data from the same logged in account. Okay, so now let's just paste this link here and just enter these details. So basically this is an digital product by a DJ named as Swara, and who is willing to sell her emotional DJing roadmap to people. So now you can see that the amount is 1000 rupees, right? So in the email section, just enter your email address, and in the phone section enter your phone details and just say pay. So here inside the payment sections, just select UPI as your payment option, and then inside this we have to go and just type in success@Razorpay, which is the test UPI ID for Razorpay. So just say success. Make sure you enter the correct spelling and just say verify and pay. So verify and pay, just wait for some time, just a few seconds to go. Confirming the payment, and yes, the payment is successful. So now that the payment is successful, let's head over back to our page. So let's go to Auto Appy's workflow playground. So let's just say check status now. So here you can see that we have received all the data here of the payment. So here you can see so here you can see there is one issue over here. The amount is appearing in 2 extra zeros. Instead of 1000 rupees, it is given 10,000 rupees, which is wrong, right? So for this, we'll have to go and format this. So let's go and see how to do that. So now that we have received all this data, let's just close this and go to the plus icon here and search for number formatter by Auto Appy. Just search for it, and then here we are supposed to select math operation, perform math operation, and just say add node. Yes, add node. So this will directly set this node up for you. We do not need any external setup for this like other applications do need, because this is an internal feature provided by Auto Appy. Okay, so now it is asking for the first number. So for that we have to go to the data mapper here, and then we have to come here and select Razorpay, which is your previous node, and then search for your amount which you had entered. Just select that and say confirm. Okay, so now it's asking for the second number, right? Just enter 100 because we want to have 1000 rupees as a final result. So for this we have to divide 10,000 by 100, correct, or any other amount by 100 so that we get the amount in proper Indian rupees, correct? So let's just type in 100, and inside this operations we have to select division. Okay, so just say submit and then say test this node, show sample data and hide sample data. So you received 1000 rupees, which is the correct result. Easy, right? So this is how the number formatter in Auto Appy is used. So hope so you have understood this integration, and if you have any kind of a query with respect to this, or if you want us to cover any kind of an integration similar to this which you find difficult, you can always go to our YouTube channel and comment down so that we can cover that particular integration video in our next upcoming tutorials. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our videos, and if you're someone who wishes to supercharge your productivity, head over to our website and start automating today. So until I see you into the next upcoming video lecture, happy automating. Thank you.